These cute do-it-yourself gnome Christmas ornaments are a fun Christmas craft for kids that will make them laugh out loud. With a free hat pattern, felt, fur beard, and a bead nose, you'll have a mischievous friend to hang on the tree in just a few minutes. You can pick up the craft fur at a craft store. I happen to get this at Dollar General. The hat is going to be made out of felt, and I have a free pattern for you to use. Start by cutting out your pattern pieces. You can make either a smaller hat size and beard size or a larger one. So I'm going to use my smaller pattern on this gray felt and on this bright green felt. This should fit right into the corner if you have a square corner on your felt. I'm going to cut a larger one out of the burgundy felt. So the felt hats are cut out, and we're going to do the beard next on the fur. And we want the fur to be going down, so the beard hair goes down. And then I'm going to turn it over on the back and draw my pattern on here, so that this is the bottom part of the beard here. And I will cut it out from this direction. So I'm going to put the pattern on the back of the fur. Cut the small beard piece. I'm going to try to fit one on the edge here. Might be a little bit narrower, but that way I can make use of the fur. I'll need a third small one. Now to cut out the fur, I'm going to carefully put my scissors right underneath this fabric part, and I'm going to try to leave the fur uncut on the other side. I'm not just going to cut into all of it and cut this fringe off. So I just carefully cut only the fabric part. Then when I pull it apart, the fur is still all connected. I haven't trimmed his beard off on the bottom, so it leaves this fringe. That's a little trick for you. So with the beards and the hats, we're ready to put them together. So I'll start with the larger one, and we're going to start by putting a ribbon at the top to hang it with a big enough loop to fit around a branch. So this is about, I'd say, 8 to 10 inches long. I'll put it in the instructions. And I'm going to hot glue it right into the tip of the hat. So carefully put the ribbon down into the hot glue and let it cool. Then we're going to glue this hat with the two straight edges together. So I'm going to put a little bit of hot glue along here and then lay the other flat edge into that glue very carefully so as not to burn my fingers. And I'm going to put a pom-pom at the top. This is a larger hat, so I'm going to put a larger pom-pom up here. Now we're going to add the beard inside here using the larger beard. I'm going to lay glue right in the back of the hat and slip the beard in there so that I catch the top edge in that glue. And then we'll slip our little nose right here on the edge of the hat. So I'll put some glue on the actual fur there. And since I'm using a bead, I'm going to put these two holes on the side so I don't really see them. And there, that nose will kind of peek out from underneath the edge of the hat. Now let's put a little decoration on the edge of the hat. I'm going to use some of this rickrack. It's a larger rickrack. So I put a little piece of greenery on here with hot glue and then a button on top. That took all of 10 minutes or less to make our cute little gnome. We're going to do our smaller sized hat. Let's do the gray. I'm going to use this silver trim and put it in the top of the hat. Let that cool. Now we're going to put a line of glue on the one edge of the felt and bring the other edge over on top of it. Keep from burning our fingers. Then I'm going to put a smaller pom-pom on the top of this one. Now we'll slip a piece of our fur into the bottom of the hat. These really do make me laugh out loud. A bead nose right where the bottom of the hat is. I carefully set that bead into the hot glue. I put it on so the holes in the bead are on either side. And let's see, what would we like to add to his hat? How about a little red berry here? So the third one's going to go really fast. Waiting for that to cool off. Looks like a little teepee. Slip the smaller size beard into the hat on top of the glue I just put in there. A bead nose. Okay, now what will we put on his hat? Should we put some greenery? Or how about a bell? There we have 3 mischievous friends to hang on our Christmas tree. I told you these cute do-it-yourself gnome Christmas ornaments would make you laugh out loud. For the free pattern and more great Christmas ideas, come on over to welcometonananas.com and join the fun.